Want to create a stunning 3D laundry logo but don't know where to start? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a professional 3D laundry logo using Canva and Photopea, step by step, no advanced skills needed. It's easier than you think, and the result? Absolutely amazing. Ready to transform your logo? Let's get started. Here's the 3D laundry logo we're creating today. Looks professional, right? And guess what? We'll make this in Canva and add the 3D effect using Photopea, completely free. First, let's design our base logo in Canva. Click Create a New Design and set the size by selecting the logo canvas size. Now, let's add a laundry icon. Go to Elements, type Laundry or Washing Machine in the search bar, and choose a simple and modern one. Next, to give it a fresh look, you can change its color to aqua blue. Then, adjust its size and position it in the center. The next step is to go back to the Elements menu. To give the laundry logo a sense of speed, we need to add a lightning icon. Search for speed in the search bar and choose a yellow lightning icon for the perfect color combination. Now, resize the lightning icon and place it on the right side of the main logo, just like the example. To make the design look cleaner and more precise, let's add a white square shape to cover the blue circle behind the lightning icon. You can follow this step as shown in the example. To move the square to the back layer, click Position and drag it down. Okay, the next step is to add text to the logo. Click the text menu and select Add a Heading. Referring to the logo brief, I'm naming this logo Turbo Clean. Move the text to the bottom of the logo. Next, change the font to Fredoka to match the logo style. Change the text color to aqua blue so it blends well with the main logo. Finally, to enhance the speed effect, we can replace the letter B in the text with a turbo icon. Here's how to do it. Search for a turbo icon in the Elements menu. Place one icon below the text. Then, take another turbo icon that resembles the letter B. And replace the B in the text with it. Follow the tutorial step by step. Once the B has been successfully replaced with the turbo icon, change its color to yellow to add a contrasting accent to the text logo. Once everything looks perfect, you can increase the logo size to fill the design canvas. Then, select all elements in the logo and click Group to merge them, ensuring they stay together when moved. Finally, before moving to Photopea, download the logo design by clicking Share. Don't forget, increase the logo size 2 times and check the transparent background option. Alright, now simply click Download to save your final logo design. The next step is to open your browser. In the search bar, type Photopea. Now, let's edit the logo here in Photopea. If you see the mockup options like this, select this 3D mockup. Then click this area to start editing your logo. Wait for the loading process to finish and the Photopea interface will appear. To insert your logo, double-click on this section. Next, you'll be redirected here. Click the eye icon to hide the existing mockup logo. Now click File and select Open in Place. Then select the PNG logo file you downloaded from Canva. Now resize the logo to fit the mockup canvas. Since the logo we downloaded from Canva still has some white elements that need to be removed, let's do that here. Here's how. Click the magic wand tool and select the icon you want to remove. Right-click on the object and choose Inverse. Press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Then click the eye icon on the middle layer. Now the white square behind the lightning icon is gone. Next, click File and select Save Smart Object. Now, let's check the main mockup preview. Your 3D laundry logo, Turbo Clean, is ready. To download it, click File and select Export As. You can choose JPG or PNG. Once downloaded, you can upload the file to Canva to extract the main part of your 3D laundry logo. and more. Here's the final result. Super easy, right? And there you have it, your very own 3D laundry logo made with Canva and Photopea. Pretty cool, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of logo tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.